Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Peacock TV outside the US. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So as you can see, when I go to peacocktv.com, noting that I'm not in the US, I receive this message saying your device must physically be located in the US to stream. However, for other international audiences, Peacock is not yet available in your territory. So what we're gonna need to do in this case is to use NordVPN. NordVPN is a top choice among streamers, offers fast and reliable connections, encrypting your traffic and shielding your IP and virtual location, ensuring a safe and private online experience. So if you want to use NordVPN, all you have to do is click onto the link that I left you in the description down below, and it's going to take you to NordVPN's official website, just like this. Here it tells you to stay in your cybersecurity bubble. Get up to 74% off 2-year plans plus 3 extra months from almost $12 to $3 per month. So all you have to do is click onto the Get Deal button and it's going to take you to this page. From here, you want to choose which plan suits you well, whether it is Basic, Plus, or the Ultimate. You can see the features of every plan here underneath. Now, once signed up, you will be able to download and install the VPN app that is compatible with your browsing device. Then you can go ahead and choose a US IP address. You're going to be able to access Peacock TV successfully, and from here, you can click onto the Sign In button in the top right-hand corner of your screen and sign into your account. And of course, be able to enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies on Peacock TV, no matter what or where you are currently residing. That should be it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.